Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNET. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this has had, and an absolute huge winner for our chat room. It was first alerted right around the 350 cent mark, right around this area of the chart, and had some members do very, very well. And then when you consider that for the cost of the chat room being only $99, not per month, but per year, a lot of people, I'll just put it this way, paid for their yearly subscription in one trade, and it was not hard given that it was alerted at 350 and the price ultimately went up to above $11. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Let's map out some levels of support and resistance. So first area of support is what I'd call the ideal level. And if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $7.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, I'm not saying everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $7.75, that would definitely be the biggest sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon as far as your trading outlook. But that's where the purple line can be used, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that purple line is going to move higher and higher as time goes by, and a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. So if you're somebody just saying there, hey Clay, look, I just care about the health of the overall move, this right here being the move. So how do you monitor the health of that? Again, that purple line, as the line moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays up above it, then the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no doubt about it. And again, staying up above 775 would be ideal, but big picture of things, staying up above, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control of the trend. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now, not really the top priority. Top priority after such a big move is just going through some healthy consolidations and building some higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, the rest of the chart will take care of itself, and part of quote-unquote taking care of itself is going to be breaking those areas of resistance. So focus on building some higher lows and let the chart do its thing.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.